Cape Town Test, which had played between India and South Africa, has created history as shortest test in the history of the Test cricket. Now question is, why has it been declared as the shortest test of the history? First reason comes from bowling. Because in Test matches 642 balls has been delivered by both sides. In bowling, Siraj played a crucial role in India's win and took 6 wickets in 15 overs. And now he has 9 5-wicket in 16 innings. And the first day of this Test match witnessed a total of 23 wickets falling, and this added the intensity and drama of the record-breaking match. The batting display was not short of drama as well, where on one hand Shubham Gill scored 10 and Virat Kohli 12 respectively. On the other hand, Aidan Markram was that day one-man show who scored his century, and he hit 17 fours and 12 sixes, and one of them was out of ground and landed on railway line. Markram showed his command such type of wickets in that Test match, but no one other teammate managed a score more than 15 in either inning. Both teams scored just 464 runs, and this aggregate was the lowest aggregate in the Test. Cape Town not only hold a new record, but also showcase a remarkable display of skill and determination. This match will be known as the shortest ever completed match, and leaving fans in awe of thrilling contest between South Africa and India.